Hi guys! We have this GeForce RTX 2070 Super here and we are going to unbox it. It's a big black box in the other box. What has in there? Another box. What's in the box? Okay. It's not opening. Finally. And all this work for this. It's a now useless driver DVD and a quick installation guide. And here is the card itself. Let's see. Nothing more in here. It has 3 fans. It has a total of 4 heat pipes. I guess they are 6mm heat pipes. A lot of radiator. The VRM contacts with the radiator. And has, I think, aluminum backplate. And also the backplate contacts with the VRM from the other side, so it actually does something. It's not only for beauty purposes. The 2070 Super GPU has Turing architecture and it supports ray tracing, or RTX in NVIDIA lingo. It has 8GB of DDR6 memory. And that's it, I guess. We'll test it soon and see what we can get from it.